Welcome everyone. Today I'm going to show you exactly how I solve the MS Office. Enter your product key issue. A lot of people face this problem and sometimes it becomes really annoying because you cannot continue your work. So I'll walk you through the same method I used slowly and clearly so you can follow every step without missing anything. First, let me show you what the problem looks like. When you open MS Office, the product key message pops up instantly. It shows you a window asking for a product key, and because of that, you can't do anything inside Office. You can't edit, you can't type, and basically no feature works properly. So, this is the exact issue that I was facing, and now let me show you how I fixed it with a very simple process. Now, we will start the solution. First, go to this PC. Once you are inside this PC, click on the Windows C drive. This is where your main system files are located, and everything related to your software installation stays here. After opening the Windows C drive, you will see several folders. Among them, click on the folder named Program Files. This is the place where your installed programs are stored. Once you enter Program Files, scroll down a little and look for Microsoft Office. To make it even easier, you can simply press the letter M on your keyboard, and it will automatically jump to folders starting with M. This helps you quickly find the Microsoft Office folder. When you see the Microsoft Office folder, click on it. Inside this folder, you will find another folder named Office 16. Now, in your case, this may show Office 16, Office 14, Office 15, or even Office 12. It doesn't matter at all. Whatever number you see after Office is completely fine. Just double-click on the folder that matches your installed version. Let me repeat those steps once again, so you understand clearly and don't get confused at any point. I'm going back to the beginning. First, go to this PC, then open the Windows C drive. After that, click on Program Files, then find Microsoft Office, and finally open Office 16 or whichever Office version folder appears on your computer. If you follow it exactly like this, the process becomes very simple and easy. Now, once you're inside the Office version folder, look carefully for a file named OSPPREARM. This is the key file we need. This file helps reset the activation state of MS Office. After finding the OSPPREARM file, right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. This is important because without running it as an administrator, the command won't work properly. You need to run this file 3 times. So again, right-click, choose Run as Administrator, and repeat this process a total of 3 times. Don't worry, it only takes a few seconds each time. After running it 3 times, the activation reset process will be completed. Now, go back and open Microsoft Office. You will notice something different. This time, Office will not ask for any product key. It will open normally, and you will be able to use all the features without any interruption. Then check Microsoft Word as well. You will see that Word also doesn't show the product key message anymore. That means the issue is completely solved. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you found this helpful and easy to follow, please consider subscribing to the channel. I'll see you again in the next video.